We're going to do some body waxing using a brand new line at California Skincare Supply called Caronlab. We're starting with this pre-wax skin cleanser. This is going to gently remove any oils so we can properly prep the body parts for waxing. This is the Deluxe Strawberry Creme Strip Wax. This cream wax has titanium dioxide, which helps with inflammation and redness after waxing. I personally love this wax. I use it in my treatment room. After waxing oil, this is my favorite wax oil. This has tea tree oil in it, and there's not much residue because the wax is so great, but if there is, this easily takes it off and also gives an antiseptic property to the pore, and that also will help to reduce redness. Look how beautiful it is.